Hey Beyond Style fam, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing the 10-minute makeup challenge. So if you want to see how I go from looking like this beautiful natural innocent queen to looking like this, then keep watching this video. Okay, I'm just gonna jump right into this video. I have my phone with my timer. I have 10 minutes set. I don't know why all of a sudden I am getting nervous, as if like this isn't something that I used to do all the time. You know, you roll out of bed and then you late, so you gotta hurry up. Got 10 minutes. So yeah, I'm going to start right now, and I'm not going to fast forward or anything throughout this video. This is going to be real time, and I really think like I can get a nice little simple look. Okay, so start. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. You know how people have their whole bags? You gotta have your whole bag for your makeup. So this is my whole makeup bag. So I haven't done anything at all. I'm gonna start with some chapstick because boo, lips chapped. We don't like that. I'm gonna start with our brows. Oh, so like, you know, what has been going on lately with y'all? Because me, there honestly hasn't been much. I have been not renovating, like, let me not use that word. What's the good word? Upgrading, redoing my laundry room. So we have an older home, and it was already upgraded and everything, but with older homes, the way they're built and things like that, there's a lot of things that needed to kind of be modernized. So right now I'm working on the laundry room, and the laundry like dryer thing was in the ground, so we couldn't really push the dryer back like I wanted it to, so we had to like pay to get the dryer, what do you call it, hose thing, air vent, whatever. We had to pay to get that ran all the way up through the ceiling and through the wall so that we could push the dryer back far enough, just so I could have like a little bit more space in there. And I love it, and I've been working on that, and I have been like filming it, but I don't know if I necessarily want to I don't know if I'm gonna like post it, the like transformation, because I don't know, I'm not even sure if the footage is like good enough. So yeah, and I'm also using, what is this is the LA Girl brow pencil, which I don't really mind. I ran out of my Benefits, which I was like, Benefits is my go-to, and I ran out of it, and I just never went to go pick it back up due to COVID and things like that. I don't know why the Ulta next to me is closed. Like they're only doing girl, brows is, this one. I don't know why the one next to me is only doing like pickup, and I don't like to order my makeup and like skincare products online. I don't know, I just want to go in the store and feel everything, and so I just never went and repurchased that, even though I already know what color. I just need to do it. I don't know why. So yeah, next we're gonna go on with some foundation. How much time do I have left? Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I need to stop talking to y'all because how was that? Oh, like 5 minutes. So yeah, I've been working on my laundry room and whatnot. Wow, I can't believe I took all that time to fill in my eyebrows. Do you think that part counts? Like, do you think that part should count towards the makeup challenge? Because right now I'm thinking it shouldn't count, and I should get that time back. Let me know down in the comments below if you think I deserve that time back, because I think I do. Because like everybody knows brows takes a long time, and I don't think it's fair, you know? Or am I being a sore loser? No, cause I'm about to get this done. I'm about to get this done. This used to be me all the time, guys. I'm not even kidding. Like, rushing to do my makeup because I would want to sleep in. And I used to really get it down to the point where I did not have to do much at all. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm going to do like a little bit of highlight. Oh crap. A tiny bit. Woo! And like, I really can't do this video. I mean, I could do it over, but I think I want to post this video tomorrow. So there's really like no do-overs. Like, this has to work, you know? But girl, if you like for that Zoom call, you know, you're a teacher and you overslept, I'm telling you, you can do it. You can do it in 10 minutes. Cover them dark circles. And then what I like to do, just to put a little bit of color on my eyelids, I go in with my contour palette and kind of like put that in the crease. And buff that in just a little bit. Oh my gosh, I could feel myself running out of time. Contour in your eye, what is this, your eyelid? It's like really easy way to just go ahead and give yourself some color on your lids. And then I'm gonna contour just a little bit. Oh my god, this is gonna look like a hot mess. Woo! Why did I do that? Why did I put contour on my nose like that? Oh my goodness. Okay. Then I go in with some blush. This is my Milani blush. Y'all, my arms is burning. Like, I'm really over here working out. Oh my goodness. And I'm just gonna kind of warm up over here, just on my face. Oh my god. How much time do I got? How much time do I got? Okay, I got 3 minutes. Okay, I got 3 minutes. Okay, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Then I feel like under my eye, it's like really bright. And but what do you think? What do you think? More contour, more contour, more contour, more contour. Okay. Oh my, bruh. This is too much. This is too much, honestly. Oh, my nose. Okay, the same brush I used for my eyelids. I'm just going to contour my nose really quickly with whatever is left over. That way, like, I know I'm not going too ham on it. That one ain't got nothing in it. Oh my god. Then we're going to go in with some mascara. And obviously, we're not doing any lashes because that takes me like 30 minutes in itself. You know, I cannot do my lashes. But we be working on it. This is, what is this? I can't tell y'all because when I talk, I lose time. And I'm going to need to claim my time back. Because y'all keep trying to take it from me. I think y'all slick. But y'all thought I wasn't going to be able to do this. But honey. Hen. Whew. Okay. Yeah. Whew, what brush I need? This one. Oh my goodness. Okay. Then we're gonna go in with some highlight. We're gonna highlight. We're gonna highlight our nose, Cupid's bow. I'm gonna set my face with whatever is. Nothing is in here. Oh my god. Bruh, this empty. Okay, whatever. Going in with some lip. This is just a gloss. And it has a little bit of color. And we are basically done. I kind of want to go a little bit pink. Shoot. Okay, I finished. My timer is going off. Okay, like, y'all can't tell. No, but for real though, like, I basically, like, look at me. I don't think this looks bad at all. Especially like if you're getting on a Zoom call or something. You know them webcams, they don't got 4K or nothing like that. Like, I would like to do something extra on the eyes, but like they look real simple and natural. I think, you know, I'm gonna do like this eye look more often. It's very transitional. And like, what do you guys, I mean, I feel like I would want to blend more of my like concealer out around here, but for the most, I didn't even like clean up my eyebrows or nothing like that. You know, the key is make sure your eyebrows is like already waxed, threaded, whatever you like, because then you don't really got to worry about it. I'm proud of myself. I really am proud of myself. I really did this in 10 minutes. And if I wasn't talking to y'all, I probably would have did it in 7. So, yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.